Local, late breaking. This is your First Alert forecast.
Damien Alameda still ahead with sports tonight. Good evening. I'm meteorologist Chuck George, and I'm sure glad to be here with you on this Tuesday night. Hope you enjoyed the weather today. We were below normal. And you know what? We'll be even cooler tomorrow. Tomorrow morning dropping to 56 degrees when you wake up. That's not jacket weather for us, but it is for areas south and east of us. You'll be in the low 40s in Cochise County. 80 degrees for our high tomorrow. That will be 10-ish below normal. It's going to be gorgeous. 89 was our normal today. We only made it to 85. The record is 105 back in 1989. That was a scorching year. Right now it is 67 degrees in Tucson. Our dew point and humidity have really come up tonight, and you can feel it as you're outside. It's because we've got a flow coming up from Rocky Point right into southeast Arizona. Right now 61 in Nogales, 60 in Sierra Vista, and 68 in Douglas. These areas will get much cooler tonight once the clouds that are in Cochise County move away. Here's the storm. We're looking at from a weird direction here. I'm looking right at the west coast here. And now we're going to go into Tucson and take a look, and we'll put north at the top like it should be. Here are the clouds as they move through today. They sure dotted our sky and made it look nice, didn't it? Didn't they, I should say? Well, now they're moving off. We still have a patch in Cochise County, but they will lift out tonight. Tomorrow, more clouds moving in, but you'll still need the sunglasses because we'll have patchy clouds. It won't be cloudy all day. So even though there are lots of clouds in the Pacific headed for us, they will be patchy. Grab the sunglasses when you head out, even if it's cloudy in the morning. There's the area of low pressure. We've been watching this on the pressure maps. Now, it's really cool. I'm saying wow to this because that's going to break off and go right over us by Friday. I may actually be over forecasting the temps for Friday, and I'm already staying cool for Friday. And then we'll have leftover coolness here that will stick around now all the way into Mother's Day. We go into next week, though. Next Wednesday, a week from tomorrow, this computer model graphic shows us 100-degree temperatures from Yuma to Gila Bend and 95 or so pushing in on Tucson. So next week is going to get much warmer. Should be, right? This time of the year. Hey, in the eastern U.S., check this out. They've got exactly the same kind of low pressure storm sitting over them. It's pulling in warm, moist air from the Atlantic and pummeling areas. It'll be in New York City by 10 o'clock in the morning with really heavy thunder showers there and possible local flooding even in Manhattan. There's the flow coming right off of the Atlantic. Now, the reason this is really cool is because it's coming from the Gulf Stream, which is a warm river of water that flows within the ocean, comes from the Gulf of Mexico and goes all the way up the East Coast. Provides lots of evaporation and big storms for New York tomorrow. 47 in Bowie tonight, 48 Portal. It'll be 79 in Douglas and about 78 in Benson. Your hometown numbers for you in Nogales, 46 in the morning. That's chilly. 54 in 3 Points with a high there of 80. 81 degrees in Ajo for the daytime high out in western Pima County. Pick your favorite valley location, Sahuarita. 53 in the morning, getting up to 80 tomorrow afternoon. Here's your 7-day First Alert forecast now. Gorgeous weather. All the way into Mother's Day. I've lowered the temps because this cool pool of air is going to hang around. 80 tomorrow, about 10 below normal, staying below normal all the way into Saturday. Will be about normal for Mother's Day, and I may need to bump that temp down a bit. Then next week we'll start the accelerated warming trend, so we may be seeing 100-degree temperatures pushing in on areas like Sells, just to the west of the Tucson metro area by Wednesday of next week.
All right.
Nice. Thanks, Chuck.
You bet, guys.
Well, tomorrow night on Fox